Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G45 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And let's pretend that right now I've got the keyboard which I don't want to use. So in order to change that, we have to tap on the settings icon in the upper panel and go to languages. As you can see, in my case, I've got three different languages or layouts. So let's begin with tapping on Add Keyboard, and let's try to find English. So here we've got English at the top, but I wanted to show you that here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you've got plenty of options to choose from, and you will spend a lot of time trying to search for your language. So I highly recommend to tap on Search Language and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply, of course, if you've got the keyboard which will allow you to enter it. I'm not sure how to enter it in the keyboard I've got currently set. So let me choose English from this section. Just tap on the language which you'd like to apply, and after that you will be transferred to this section where you can choose keyboard layouts. And as you can see, here we've got a lot of options to choose from, and the amount of them depends on the specific language. So just mark the option which you'd like to use. I will pick only this one and tap on Done. And as you can see, the English language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the other languages, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with two or more languages added, because sometimes you'd like to leave an additional language. So let's go back to the keyboard, and now we will have this globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So right now we've got this language, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can change the layout and tap on it again, and as you can see, we've got this Polish and English keyboard. Alright, so in order to remove the language, let's open the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the languages actually which we want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.